Have you ever typed a line of text in Illustrator and it just blasts across your entire screen? You're not doing anything wrong, you're just using the wrong text tool. Illustrator actually has 3 ways to handle type, and choosing the right one can save you a ton of frustration. Let's break them down. First is point type. Click once and start typing. The box expands as your text grows. This is perfect for headlines or word marks. Just a heads up, if you drag the corner of this box to make room for more text, you're actually distorting your letters. Don't do that. If you're working with a paragraph, click and drag to create a text container. Your text wraps neatly inside the box. Use this for body copy, columns, or any layout where you need clean, controlled text flow. You might be thinking, isn't a text box just a rectangle? Yep, and Illustrator treats it like a shape, which means you can use any shape as a text container. Draw a circle, a polygon, whatever you want. Then click the path with the area type tool, and Illustrator will automatically fill the shape with text. Same tool, different container. And if you want to get creative, use the touch type. Before this tool existed, adjusting one letter meant converting your text to outlines and losing editability. Now you can scale, rotate, or move individual letters while keeping the entire word fully editable. It's perfect for stylized titles and logo work. So next time you start, pick your tool based on what you need. Headlines get a single click, body gets a text box or shape, and custom styling gets the touch type. Which one do you use the most? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious.